Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is Naturalyewi, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my scalp with dry shampoo. So if you want to know how to get your scalp clean, especially with residue and stuff like that, when you have like protective style, stay tuned. So I'm going to be using the ORS Herbal Cleanse, which is a dry shampoo, and it has peppermint in it, I believe, which is like, it gives it that mint and cooling, it gives your scalp that mint and cooling sensation. So what I'm doing now is I pull my braids down, and then I'm going to be putting it to the section, like to the side of, just to the side, and then I will be going ahead to section to clean the section over there with the shampoo. And basically that's pretty much it. It's self-explanatory. So I do have flakes and all the little white bobs in my scalp. So I decided to spray with some water with my spray bottle. Oh, technical difficulty, having some problem with that. So basically I sprayed it, and then I'm using tissue to clean my scalp, and then going over each section again. So that's pretty much it. Honestly, it is very easy, and this is something you can do in between washes of like single braid. So like I usually do clean my scalp maybe like once a week of the braids, and then the second and third week I go through a regular shampoo where I actually wash my whole scalp and the braids. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video. And also leave a comment, how do you wash your hair and how do you clean your scalp when you have in a protective style, like something like braids or twist. Let me know, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.